Hello guys, I hope you are all doing well. Welcome to our channel Money Vigilance. Today I will talk about how to earn money using YouTube automation, Cash Cow YouTube channel, Faceless YouTube channel. Let's get started. What is YouTube automation and how to earn from it? Automating YouTube video production is the next step in YouTube marketing. Instead of using videos specifically as a marketing tool, the automation business model focuses on creating viral videos that generate passive income for the channel's owner. Some of the richest people on the internet are rich because of YouTube. The higher the number of views, the more money YouTube pays you. Now, the YTA method automates the system and your channel. Using the method, viral videos are regularly uploaded to your channel, even though you aren't creating them. OPC hack. This part teaches you guaranteed virality. The more viral your video or animation is, the more money you make. In the YouTube automation method, you get a reliable means of dominating your niche, regardless of what it is. It is a simple yet effective method that does not rely on luck or anything like that. Using other people's channels, you would not even have to shoot a video yourself before making videos go viral and making loads of cash. What is Cash Cow YouTube channel and how to earn from it? Cash Cow channels on YouTube are nothing new, but they've risen in popularity over the last few years. The rise of online personalities selling Cash Cow channel courses has helped this channel type become more popular. Cash Cow channels on YouTube are channels designed entirely to make money. These channels do not rely on a personality, and the entire content is often outsourced. Cash Cow channel owners often pay people to write scripts, gather videos, create voiceovers, and edit the videos. Then they, or an assistant, upload the finished video to their Cash Cow channel. Videos are created around popular topics that drive lots of views and can generate large amounts of ad revenue. Cash Cow channels are mainly monetized by ad revenue on YouTube. They can also successfully use affiliate marketing to drive up income to insane amounts. Cash Cow channels are all about making money on YouTube without being a personality in front of the camera. They can be successful, but it takes a lot of work to find success with your ideas and content team. What is Faceless YouTube channel and how to earn from it? These channels don't have a face. They totally rely on their voice. And surprisingly, people are subscribing because they are drawn towards their voice. So if you have any idea to open a faceless YouTube channel with your voice, you can go with it. Here is the 8 ways you can make money on YouTube without your face and voice. 1. Use stock footage. An alternative way to create YouTube videos and make money without showing your face is to use stock footage. It's a short video that usually outtakes by other people and can be used to insert into larger video production. There are many places to find high-quality and royalty-free stock footage, including ArtGrid, Pexels, VideoHive, and Shutterstock. Using multiple pieces of this type, coupling with the power of text-to-speech software like Speechelo, you can create long and engaging YouTube videos for different purposes. 2. Make money on YouTube playing video games. People love playing video games, and they also love watching others playing them as well. Additionally, there are literally thousands of video games published each month. Many people would like to understand what they are about before buying, while others don't have time to play but still want to know the whole story behind a specific video game. Hence, gaming videos are very popular on YouTube, and you can make good money out of this. Better yet, if you create a walkthrough YouTube gaming channel, which is often aimed to complete entire video games to assist other players or provide them with the full game stories, you can focus entirely on playing without having to talk or show your face. 3. Make money on YouTube creating compilation videos. A compilation is a collection of short and related clips assembled from other videos. It can be anything from epic gaming moments, sports highlights, interesting TikTok videos, fail Twitch clips to amazing pieces of music or even funny images. After finding enough content for a YouTube video, you can use a tool like Sony Vegas or Capwing to quickly cut and edit clips however you wish. One important thing to note is that compilation videos are very vulnerable to be demonetized or taken down due to copyright infringement. Therefore, before including a clip, make sure you have proper permission to use it by asking the owners. 4. Start an ASMR YouTube cooking channel. The next way to make money on YouTube without revealing your face and voice is to start an ASMR cooking channel. In case you didn't know, ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, a relaxing sensation that is triggered by placid sights and sounds such as whispers, accents, and crackles. Heather Feather, a popular ASMR YouTuber, explains the reason people love ASMR by saying that, basically, it feels like the amazing chills you get when someone plays with your hair or traces your back with their fingertips. Out of many types of ASMR videos, cooking is one of the most popular. It requires a lot of hard work into preparing and filming high-quality content. However, the result is often worth the effort. 5. Create looping YouTube music videos. Besides music compilation, you can make a looping music video featuring a catchy song. 6. Make YouTube with me videos. Researchers point out that watching With Me videos such as Study With Me or Clean With Me is a method for people to feel more confident and get inspired to achieve their goals. As a result, they have gained so much popularity in recent years, especially in a world where there are so many things to distract us from doing our main tasks. Making these types of videos is also fairly simple. You just have to set up a nice filming angle and start recording yourself doing stuff. 7. Make money live streaming music on YouTube. Next, we have YouTube Music live streaming. With the purpose of helping people stay focused, relax, or simply creating a place to chit-chat, these live streaming videos can get a lot of traction, and you can earn a decent amount of money making them. 8. Create text-guided YouTube tutorial videos. Instead of talking or using Speechelo as your alternative voice, you can also make text-guided YouTube tutorial videos on a topic that you are familiar with. The most important thing when making video tutorials is topic selection. Make sure to pick one that many people care about. Otherwise, your videos will hardly get any views. To research popular topics and keywords, Keyword Tool.io can help. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe, like, and share this channel. See you later. Thanks for watching.